Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to customize the pagination link text in the Divi Blog module. By changing the default older and newer labels, you can create navigation that's clearer, more aligned with your site's branding, and more engaging for readers. This is particularly helpful if the default text doesn't match your site's tone, or if you'd like to add more descriptive calls to action to improve usability. Let's get started. To make customizing the pagination link text in the Divi Blog module easy, we use the newer/older entries text feature. This feature allows you to add custom labels for these pagination links directly within the module settings. It's a simple, no-code solution for replacing the default older and newer text with your own wording. This functionality is part of the Divi Booster plugin. For details on getting this plugin, check out the relevant section in the accompanying post. To modify the older entries pagination label in the Divi Blog module, start by accessing the module settings. Navigate to the Content tab and open the Elements section. Here, you'll find a field labeled Older Entries Text. Simply type in your preferred label, for example, Previous Articles. This custom text will then display as the left-hand pagination link for your blog posts. Next, let's set the Newer Entries pagination label. In the same section where you customize the text for older entries, locate the field labeled Newer Entries Text. Here, you can type in your desired label, something like Next Articles. This custom text will then appear as the right-hand pagination link where applicable. Once you've customized your pagination labels, the next step is to ensure everything is working as expected. Start by saving and publishing your page. Then, visit the front end of your site to see your changes in action. You should now see your custom text labels like Previous Articles and Next Articles displayed under the post list in the blog module's pagination. This is how you can confirm that your adjustments have been successfully applied. With just a few simple tweaks in the Divi Builder, you can fully customize the blog module's pagination text. This not only helps align your site with your branding, but also makes it easier for your readers to navigate your content seamlessly.